Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story. High-level idea. Ram was a CEO of an MNC. It was the time of a global recession when stock values started to fall. The investors were worried about their investments. Ram organized a high-level meeting with the board of directors to solve the issue. In the meeting, he took the advice of other members and they decided to decrease the price of the products and to start investing in low-risk mutual funds. He also took the action to reduce the salaries of all the high-level officials until the market revived. After some time the market revived, and the stocks started regaining profit. Qualities demonstrated: good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, determined, and making appropriate decisions. Story 2. Average level idea. Ram was an SC judge and was made as the chief of a committee to decide about a course of action in the issue of triple talaq. He organized a committee that consisted of retired judges and people representing the WAQB board. In the meeting, it was discovered that women were being subjected to atrocities, which was against the constitution. Therefore, they recommended that the government must abolish the concept of triple talaq, a decision that was welcomed by women all over the country. Qualities demonstrated: optimism, average level of problem solving, responsible, determined.
Thanks, subscribe and keep watching for such videos. If you have any doubts regarding SSB Interview,
then visit the playlist section.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.